Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Lenovo monitor power saving mode, wake display, input signal and timer setting. So fix one is wake your computer. Move your mouse or press any key on the computer or keyboard. Then press the power button on your computer once. Do not hold it. Wait for 10 to 20 seconds to see if the display return. Second fix is check the video cable connection. Turn off the monitor and computer. Then disconnect the HDMI, DisplayPort, VGA or USB-C cable. Reconnect both ends firmly, then turn the monitor and computer back on. Third fix is select the correct input source. Press the menu button on the Lenovo monitor, then go to the input source or input setting. Select the port you are using, HDMI, DisplayPort, VGA, USB-C. Fourth step is confirm the selection and check the display. So fourth fix is disable sleep or power saving setting. Open setting, go to system, then power and battery. Select screen and sleep, then increase the screen timeout or temporarily set it to never for testing. Thanks for watching.